We've seen in shoulder rehab that very often we need to combine the two movements of abduction, that's moving the arm away from the body, with lateral rotation, which is this twisting movement. And we've got other videos to see why that's the case in terms of the ball moving in the socket and avoiding pinching structure, so impingement. So, how can we combine those two movements of abduction with external rotation in an exercise? Well, essentially what we're going to do is use a resistance band. So I've got a resistance band here, and I've attached it to a low point. Now, when you're at home, you might attach this to a chair leg, for example, making sure that the chair leg doesn't slide, or the bottom of a door, so you may get a door stopper. And we need to mimic this movement then. So if you think about it, this movement, I've got my palm facing myself, and then as I go into lateral rotation, my palm faces forwards. So that's our lateral rotation, and then the abduction is simply moving the arm away from the side. So what I do is I take my band, I step away from the band, so I'm taking up the resistance. So I'm now into an adducted movement and medially rotated, so my arm is across my body, and what I do is to move the arm out and up. So my palm is facing backwards as I start, and it faces forwards as I finish the movement. So it's a gentle movement from a full stretch into adduction and medial rotation into a full abduction movement with external rotation. So I've maintained that resistance all the way through the movement, but importantly I'm also stopping more or less at the horizontal position, because very often people, when they're doing rehab, get a little bit of discomfort at that horizontal position, so we can use this exercise fairly early on, and then we can progress the dumbbells once that discomfort at the horizontal is no longer there. Alright, thanks for watching.